Hello, welcome to the first episode of Boulders and Steel. I'm going to talk about a new track called Thunderstorm by a one-man metal band called Dead Wasteland. And Dead Wasteland is by an independent artist who calls himself Hermit, and he's from Russia in Tomsk. So he does all the instruments, and I was totally blown away by the quality of the track. And the track starts off with gentle guitar playing, and it has ambient sound, and you hear a few cracks of thunder, and then it goes on into extreme metal mode with some nice sound of blasting guitar and heavy drumming and an ambient sound in the background, and then finishing it off with a gentle guitar sound, and then keeps that ambient sound, and it finishes off with the rain and thunder. So I highly recommend that you check out the track.